What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the stream. I'm gonna finish eating my lunch and get ready to finish out today's afternoon training session, you guys. Welcome back to the stream. What's up, guys? All right, welcome back to the stream. That lower DD band, man, I probably could take some trades off of that. It'd be kind of nice. Should I get crazy here at NASDAQ with some lower DD? What are we talking? What are we talking? Do I dare? At 540. Should I just grab something here and let's try it? Welcome back to the stream, you guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right. So this trade turned to an A+ whenever DD ratio greater than half. Right. I still take an EST every single time. So might as well give it a shot. See if anything good can come out of it. Outfit change. This is I'm back. I'm back to my normal t-shirt. Dude, this market looking absolute shit right now. That's crazy. It's not looking hot with the VIX moving up and VVIX moving up. It might flush really hard in the close. I'm actually just like nervous about this. Honestly, if I can just get a tiny scalp off of that, I'd be happy. I'd love to see the bull market survive though. My confidence of a bounce here is not that good, by the way. Not a big fan of it. I'll take a stab at it. But EST every single time. Let's see. If I get the scalp off it, I'd be happy. Now we fall asleep waiting. I don't know, man. It's not getting any better. And although I can take a support trade here, we lose MHP, then all three of our greater market signals go bearish. So again, it's the same as this morning. Can I get a second possible entry off of DD band, at least to scalp to stay alive? Resilience is not too terrible. It's decent enough to hold the fort, but we should see. S&P is actually kind of bad though. I just grabbed one contract. If it flies 100 points, then I can get something off of that. I don't really need to put any risk on the table beyond that. Dude, I'm telling you, dude. This... This Twitter drama is crazy to watch. Like, people are like dancing around this and it's so fun. It's so funny to see it. Like... What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? You wanna hear Keith's song? Oh, you'll hear it. You'll hear it. We'll play it in a little bit. And the Pat Whelan trades by Rena drama is just getting heated. Like, it's just so crazy on how support, and it's like I go to her feed and people are like, I'm so supportive of you. He was so mean to you. This is a fucking woke world of losers we live in. Like, somebody just said, hey, I can't afford the hotel, I'm broke. An influencer in the space who's trying so hard to be so vocal about the space and represent the space and direct traders in the space, and just admitted they were broke. And people are like, it's okay, I still support you. What kind of woke fucking world do we live in? This is stupid. Like, people don't just go, oh my God, I realized something. I remember the good old days of witch hunts when you found out a trader was a liar. And the whole community was like against it. Now people are like, oh, it's okay. Her fucking pronouns are I'm broke, and then fine, follow her if you want. I just like, it's like crazy, and no shade being thrown. She seems like a nice girl, but that's why I fight so hard for transparency in space. Like, get woke, go, like, seriously, like, these people just want to hug it out. Like it's fucking Mr. Rogers, you know, daily show or something. It's okay. Everybody, we're all in this together. You know, which of these things is not like the other? It's just like, where did people get so, like, what happened to the balls of Wall Street? You know what I mean? Humans are so gullible. I would absolutely, in a heartbeat, not follow somebody if it was revealed that they had no money and they're being such a loud influencer. Like, what happened to the witch hunts from back in the day? Like, you know what I'm saying? It blows my mind how people are just so like, it's okay, hug it out, we're fine. I can't believe they were so mean to you. What? Like, where has like this general stupidity of acceptance come in Wall Street? Like, these are like people in like, you know, in direct influence of your finances. Yes, this information is important. Yes. Yeah. Don't be mean to people. I get it. Yeah. That's one thing. But like, man, if you say, if it was like 2016 and like somebody even saw you make like a single paper trade, like hundreds of influencers would be ripping you to shreds. They'd be having podcasts talking about you. Everybody making video about you. Now it's like socially acceptable to suck at trading and yet be a big name in trading. It's okay. And you can't call them out because they'll call you names and tell you're being mean. You know what I mean? It's a weird, trading turned to a weird place after COVID. I think it's because COVID, I'm one of the OGs who've been doing this for a while, you know, making money doing this, showing you guys trading. And COVID brought a bunch of amateurs into the space, amateurs with microphones and loudspeakers, amateurs talking like they own my space, like that they have a right to be here, like they earned it, and directing people and helping people and making discords for people. People don't have the right to do it. And it's no longer cool to question because of woke America. I'm not woke. It's fucking stupid. If they're not making money and you follow them, you're fucking stupid. No shade being thrown. It's all about money. It's a money game. And I don't care if I make friends, lose friends by saying it. If somebody's broke and you're following them, you're going to be broke. So it is whatever. Pat made it acceptable when the community forgave him being a paper trader. Well, yeah, I mean, like Pat back in the day was paper trading and passing it as real. Then, you know, everyone will witch hunt for him. And, you know, he apologized and vowed to do it better. He went out and got better at trading and then started crushing it. And so Pat's a unique journey of somebody that learned their lesson and started doing real shit and then started trading sim. Sim funded. Was trading sim, then went to sim funded, and then now is on like prop trading leaderboards. You know, it's like, okay, you know, and you know, he built a legacy off of actual trading now. You know, it's like, that's the way it should have been. And so, you know, I always gave respect to Pat for like getting it together and going out there and crushing it. You know, to me, that's when I see somebody on a leaderboard, I say, okay, that person's good. You know, they've proven themselves to me. That's all that matters. But, you know, nothing wrong with being broke as a trader. All of us have been there. We've all been there at some point in our lives, but you need to put down the megaphone and the loudspeaker. If you're broke, your voice needs to be kind of silent. You're not a leader in the space. That's the way I see it, but I'm not in this business to make friends. You guys are my friends, though. Parasocial relationships have skewed reality beyond saving. Jason's 100% right. People conflate them for real connection. They feel that sense of community. And I think what happens is, I have this saying that's called losers band together, so that they feel collectively like a winner. If you really think about that, it just means a bunch of failed traders build a community around failure. And then they all feel big because the community supports community supports community. And then you get social validation rather than actual validation from results. And therefore community sense is strong because that's the only leg you have to stand on, is the social validation for others. All right, fuck this trade. I'm gonna close that out. That ain't working. So that's how I've always felt about it. And the idea that it's become socially unacceptable to question people's authenticity, like these gurus that I'm an arbiter for, like, hey, show me your results, show me your P&L. And then they fight you off, is such a backwards world. Used to, the community had balls and a backbone that would fight off the fake guru. Like the community would band together and criticize someone for not showcasing real results or being fake. And now communities band together with the fakeness. And if you're trying to rock the boat by asking for authenticity or proof, they band together to shut you down, to keep you quiet. Now it's acceptable to not ask questions. And I'm back on the side of unwoke America, where I think it's pretty obvious that that's a stupid way to be when you guys are looking out for your own investments and your own finances, your own monetary gain and stuff. It's important to know that. Yeah. Yeah. So I think, like, you know, if there's any place, hold on, I don't know who this is calling me. Hold on one second. Oh, business loan this time. That's just a wrong number. Please don't turn these candles red. The market finding lower lows today. Market is dying today. Holy crap, this is crazy. So yeah, I'm pretty much done. We can say F that. That account went from 1,500 to minus 300. Boo-hoo. You got the wrong number, man. You just called the same number again. Yes. Yes. Sorry about that, guys. Is that a margin? It's a margin call? Yeah, margin calling again. Oh, this market, man. Like, could I bet on MHP? Like, should I just go for it? What do y'all think? Like with one contract now? Fuck it. Let her ride. All right. What a day. No, that was somebody. The first time they were like asked like, is Billy there? And I was like, you have the wrong number. And they called again. They go, is Matt there? It's like, I was like, okay, how y'all scam? How you gonna scam me? It was somebody it was a member that was needing help with their account. I don't know where the Billy came from, but so I was helping him out with the rocket scooter stuff. I should have told him that Billie Jean is not my lover. Okay, I'll tell him that next time. I'm gonna try like one more time. I don't think it's gonna hold though. But we'll see. Bix needs to get its ass below triple B, I agree. I 100% agree. I 100% agree. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's get some EST going on here. Oh, by the way, let me... oops. So currently going on right now, we have a sale. ETF 90% off sale going on. 90% off fast track. I'm sorry, one step, diamond hands, and end of the day. Big sale, you know, load up if that's what you like to trade. Those fast tracks are the quick ones. I'm sorry, the one steps are the quick ones, just similar like the Apex style, trailing drawdown accounts, like TPT style. 500 Future still has $199 resets on core funded, which is nice. Come on, EST. Every sometimes. All right. I know I did close it out, but this market better not turn bearish, man. I do not want to see a bear market. I want to see a bull market. What do we think, guys? Market's gonna save itself? Is the market gonna save itself? That finished bootcamp giveaways? No, there's like 4 more. I can't remember. Hold on, let me double check. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Were we doing 16? We have 5 more to go, right? EST every sometimes. Battle cry. That was clean. Pivot to pivot. From bell to bell. Alright, I might as well just take the pivot and do like whatever with it. Down or sideways till Yom Kippur likely? When is Yom Kippur? What is Yom Kippur? I know it's a Jewish holiday, right? What is it celebrating? And what day is it? October 1st? Day of Atonement? No, you didn't miss the voting. We haven't done anything with the songs yet. Every single time. Rocket brains with battle cry. Resilience never bends or breaks. It shapes the edge that fortune takes. I don't know about you, but I'm excited about October, man. Halloween's like my favorite time of the year. I'm so weird and dark. I know. That's like my favorite holiday. Not Christmas, not whatever. Something about like the Halloween spirit. When things just start like turning into fall, there's pumpkins and skulls everywhere. I think that's like my favorite. It's a time when it's cool to be different. And cool to be dark and cool to like weird things. Day of Atonement is the holiest of the year in Judaism, marking the culmination of the high holy days. Oh, very cool. Got the Misfits and Danzig on repeat till Halloween. Heck yeah. That's what I'm saying. I'll be listening to A Little Bones later by Misfits. Walk me to the graveyard, dig up her bones. What's the code for the reset of My Fun and Futures? For use Rock Scooter code. Straight up. No emotion. Maybe I'm wrong. I just took the scalp there. I could have held it for a little longer, but. Love that great song. Great song. All right, you guys. I think we should start doing some of the finals today for the music songwriting contest. Actually, hold on. Hold on. Let's go into the songwriting finals. Now, let's talk about this. Now, let's be fair. I need to decide how we're going to do prizes for this. And that's going to be a little bit different. So we have 3 different categories for songwriting. And we've got like 24, I think, songs made it to the end. So how do you guys think we should structure the finals? Like normally on American Idol, you get like to the final 8, right? Or 10 or whatever it is. And then everybody sings and then everybody votes on all of it together. And then they're ranked by the overall votes. Should we do head to head? Should we do like 5 at a time and you guys choose like a winner and then we have the final 5? Because tell me a structure you guys think will be fair. Because for number 1 is, I don't know how we can set up a vote. Let's say they're like a Google Sheets poll or something. I don't know how to set up a bot to vote on like 20 different things. So remember, head to head, we'll narrow it down to 10 or to 12. And then maybe we could do head to head, like, and then narrow it down, because every time we have to cut it in half and you go head to head. So 24 will become 12. And then we've got a final 12 with the same thing. Should we try to do that? A playoff bracket? Okay. But then what do we do with the final 12? That's the next question. Okay. Final 12. Okay, so I'm going to keep it going. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, here's the next question. Do I pair up the songs by my choice of 2 songs that need to go head to head? By my discretion, like I choose the bracket, or do I randomly assign songs to a bracket? And you're just with the randomness of what it is. If songs 1 and 2 get placed next to each other in this round, one of them goes away. If I choose, I'm going to go off of what I think is going to be a seed round, where I place song 1 against 12 and 2 against 13 and 3 against 14, etc. to make it where we don't lose a second or third place song in this round. You know what I mean? Like March Madness type. Yeah. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll seed the bracket on the way I think it should go. Okay. I gotta do a little work really quick. All right. I have to kind of think about it. I probably could improv it right now. But let me go through and rank the songs in a private little... Okay, so let me make... Should I make a committee? Or did y'all just trust me to do it? Maybe let's do it myself. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it myself. And I'm going to seed the songs together in a way that's fair and the way that's not unfair through the randomness. And then the end will be a whole different thing. Okay, cool. All right. I get you guys. Okay, that's what we'll do. All right, let me, oops, dang it. Cool, good deal. I'll make sure it's fair. Now, the winners are gonna, now, I don't know how many we're gonna do. I'm still gonna decide. Why does it keep doing this? The winners are going to get lifetime rocket scooter. That's the prize. Like the winners. Of each category will get lifetime rocket scooter, like the final winner. The next, like maybe runner up might get like a yearly sub, which is again thousands of dollars worth of prize, which is cool. And then the runners up and everything will get like a prop account or something. Something fun. This has been a fun event. And then every month that we'll do this, we'll make it like a little bit bigger. All right. Okay, so I've got the total songs here. Okay. All right. I'm gonna start ranking them where I think they're gonna go. I'm not gonna show you guys my seed rank. Okay, so give me a couple minutes to do the bracket. I think I've got a good handle on this. It's starting to look pretty good. What's up? What's up? Setting for what? Really? How's that going? How's that coming along? Yeah. That's correct. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, we got this. We're about to do the finals of the songwriting contest. Okay. So now, let's see. Okay, I think I got it. I think I got it. Okay. And I'm going to play it out of order so you don't think I'm playing favorites. So you're not going to know what the top seed is or the middle seed or the first seed. I'm going to play, they're ordered pretty well. Okay. I think this will go pretty hand in hand. Okay, guys, welcome to the finals of the second edition of the Rocket Scooter Music Writing Contest. Where we give away all kind of fun prizes for the winners. You guys have submitted stuff since probably July. Probably twice a year we'll do this. It's a huge event. You can get submissions in now for the next one. We'll probably do it like right at the beginning of the year or something. But after a couple months, we listen to them, we have fun with them. And then after we get hundreds and hundreds of submissions, we have a big old contest. It took a whole month to go through it all. It's been really fun. Can second put their winning towards lifetime? Yeah, how about that? So if you're second place, how about this? Actually, I got a better idea. First place is free lifetime. Second place, huge discount on lifetime or yearly. Yeah, whichever one you want to do. Well, I guess then you would just choose lifetime then to pay the rest. That's a cool idea. All right. That's kind of dope. I like that idea. This is fun because, you know, we love the, you know, the idea that you guys have been loyal to the community. That's a cool prize. We can definitely hook y'all up with that. So like I said, I'll make the prizes really kick ass. And everybody that's in the finals now will get something. That's first. Am I in a trade right now? Nope, close everything out. I'm pretty flat. Pretty flat as of now. I'm kind of done for the day. That last little scalp, that was it. Yeah. All right. All right, guys. Okay. All right. Round one. My words are final. My ranking is final. Round one is up. Okay. We will play 2 songs side by side. One of them goes home. One of them stays. Good luck to all. The nerves are high. Tons of submissions. I wish I could come out there like it was like, you know, like the Miss Texas pageant or something where I come out and sing a song, or like the Oscars where I sing a song on all y'all's behalf about all the songs. We have Rogue of the Lamb bringing us the goods, rocket scooter to the sky. Then we have Unstoppable. You know what I mean? I could throw like a whole like songwriting medley, like Neil Patrick Harris style at the beginning of the Tonys, where I sing a line from every song. I'm too lazy. Production value on this is gonna be very low. We're just gonna play the songs. How about that? All right, head to head, finals round, first song. Market Wizard by Ty. We will vote using the YouTube polls, and that's it. The winner takes all. Majority wins. There's no both, there's no neither. You'll pick one. Started on a journey, Noah's trader's paradise. It's tough because every song in this category is great. Everyone, however, from this point forward will win something. So no one goes home empty-handed if you made it this far. Farina, she's like, I'm happy I finally won something on here. That's correct. You did win something. Ty, this is Ty. This is his song. He says, "Thank you guys for getting this far." Rocket Scooter merch, aye for that. Yeah, we're gonna be going in. iDoc and I are calling professional merch companies, like not just your typical coffee cup and shirts that you would get from like a t-shirt shop. We're calling like companies that do like orders of like thousands, like professional merch for corporate events and stuff. I'm gonna get a bunch of like hoodies and t-shirts and I don't know, backpacks and tote bags and hats and stuff, just to have. I can send them to you guys as prizes and gifts or whatever. An Apple branded, Rockstar branded iPhone. Okay. So today market's holding monthly hedge pressure. That's good.
He met a gal, iDoc is her name. They bought a pickle who won't poop in the rain. It's a
He doesn't poop in the rain.
He'll be inducted in the stock market Hall of Fame.
He's a stock market wizard.
He's a stock market wizard. Dollar signs in his eyes. All of you better recognize the market wizard every single time. Yeah, every single time.
Very cool, very cool, very cool. Okay. Stock Market Wizard by Ty against Junkie Shit by Mike.
Matt fires up the rocket scooter, run his way to get some cooter. Taking trades while you getting nades. You on stream looking like you flunked 4th grade. Your other trader's strategy is sniffing paint. Man, your trades whack and they stink. Turn on your stream.
All right, everybody got a vote.
Hedge pressure, away
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
to me.
Oh.
Hedge pressure, I go hard at half cap. I go harder at LP. Might bet the house if price is feeding. You other traders PP. I was spark a blunt, but I got high BP. Watch this, I call this the Arby's trade. Might fuck around and make 10K. What's that? Oh, pickle and iDoc here to stay. Pet pickle, oh yeah, pickle first, so soft. You other traders, trade soft. Here's a blue chew, hope the market flushes you, cause you do-do. Cause you do-do. iDoc's back, sub-doc, no Bugs Bunny. You make my tummy feel funny. All the lunch and green juice a man could ever need. Makes me real strong, Matty Hercules. Man, your trades whack and they stink. Turn on your stream and got a whiff on taint. Hedge pressure, I wait for the trades to come to me.
Everybody's got a vote.
I go hard at half cap. I go harder at LP. Might bet the house if price hits DD. You other traders PP. I would spark a blunt, but I got high BP.
You like this song even though you're doo-doo? That's hilarious. Now, just because the song doesn't win doesn't mean we're not going to use it all the time either.
This the Arby's trade. Might fuck around and make 10K. What's the pickle and
Keep that in mind.
Pet pickle, oh yeah, pickle fur, so soft. You other traders trade soft. Here's a blue chew. Hope the market
that in mind.
flushes you, 'cause you do. Bootcamp coming up soon, better be ready. Speaking of coming, doc's back, sup doc, no Bugs Bunny. You make my tummy feel funny. All the lunch and green juice a man could ever need makes me real strong, Matty Hercules.
Like the end to that song is like so funny. Woo! Bull market saving itself. Okay, guys, get your votes in. I'm gonna call everybody in here. Oops. All right. Get y'all's votes in. I'm gonna message the community, tell everybody to get in here. That way, make it a big event. You can throw it in the ETF's Discord too, so I can do something. Okay. Let me get it on Twitter too. All right, I'm making some posts. That way we can make it like a big event. All right. Okay, I'm closing down the votes. And the winner is, oh, we still have to give away nine more boot camps. Thank you, Evan, for donating a boot camp. I'll donate 3 more to go with it. Ooh, thank you, Evan. Wow, dude, 26K? Shit, dude. Wait, you made 26K today? Wait, hold on. Where'd you write that? So today's winner is going to be Market Wizard. Congratulations. Ty, good job. It's a great song. Good job, good job, good job. Okay. All right. That was the winner. All right. Okay. All right. Next song pairing. Okay. All right. All right, I'll have to come organize this later. All right, so the next pairing is going to be oops. All right. We've got Chasing Profits, Jake from State Farm,
trading calculations on my mind, got my crew beside me, always hustling, never blind, high stakes, high rewards with the gold you can't find, booming in the market like the stars will shine.
So it's like today we've held the bull side of the market, by the way. MHP 3360, 2445 is all held, which is good. That's really good. Investing in the future, living out the dream. Hedge fund warriors, we're the kings and queens. With every trade I make, you know we're breaking scenes. Rolling with the profits, we're in the spotlight. Flipping every dollar till we reach that height. Stock market dreams shining ever bright. On this rocket scooter, we're taking flight. DCE and end of quarter rebalance for investment. Retirement decide tomorrow. Yeah. This end of the day bounce is a really good sign. This is good. With a heart full of hustle and the driven elite. From the floor to the sky, watch our fortunes meet. Living life like a movie where the triumphs repeat. Rolling with the profits, life's a trade-off game. Stock market dreams and we're rising to fame. On this rocket scooter, pushing through the pain. In the world of finance, we'll forever repeat. Riding high on momentum, feel the thrill inside. Every deal I'm making on this rocket, I glide. But the next is 1 day to pass on Rapid, yeah. 3 day to pass on Legacy. Wait, what's the new Leonardo DiCaprio movie? What movie is it? Man, what a crazy trading day today. All right, Jake from State Farm. Versus get it going here. Hold on. versus Scooter Vibes by Sir Darb. Vote on which one you think is a top 10 song for our American Idol style showdown. Scooter skanking, charts be banking. Like when he goes, half gap bar. Adrian, this song is called Scooter Vibes. If you go to the song submission, it's called Song Final Overall or any of the categories, Scooter Vibes. I got the names typed in the poll. Ride the chill flow. Half gap boy. Like cool reggae agua. Charts be banking. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This song is different after a full port when you need to just chill out. Very true. This is by far one of my favorite songs, for sure. Anything that reminds me of like island life, water, waves, surfing, like is some kind of nostalgia for me. All right, get your votes in, guys. 20 more seconds. I'm gonna close it out. We're down to the final 24. So we're like March Madness bracket going on here. All right. And the winner is Sir Darb, chasing profits with that cool reggae agua, with that half gap boy. Congrats. Congrats, man. Great, great song. That song is such a vibe. I love it. Good deal. Okay. Next round. This is getting hot. All right. We've got
Guess who's back? It's Rocket Scooter.
Rocket Scooter to the Sky by Farina. What I like about this song, it has the same kind of like vibe. It reminds me a lot of Audion, who I'm going to see in like 4 days, or like, actually no, like a week. What time is the what time is MOC, Keith? 10 minutes before market closes. So an hour from now. Yeah, dude, if you guys like Audion, he's one of my favorite DJs. Doesn't this sound like Audion? Right? EST trade stands for every single time lane. It's something that has such a high probability. Anything over than 80% when ideal conditions, I call EST, which means I take it every single time. I don't have any more room to trade, so I'm kind of just maxed out today, but I take it every single time because statistically over time it works, so I should take it every time. So the rule of statistical based trading is to take every edge you have every time and don't pick and choose when you do it. Wait, what the hell? You typing in chat and you're right here? What are you eating? Chocolate pretzel? Chocolate? What kind of chocolate? You didn't bring me a Kit Kat?
No.
Dang. All right. Rocket Scooter Into the Sky by Farina. What?
Chris says, "Oh, to be young again." What to?
That's funny. Versus hold on one second. All right, so Rocket Scooter to the Sky versus Come On, Let's Ride by Tech Trader.
Perfect levels like constellations. Not quite prediction, just calculations. I can see where the future lies. Edge pressure calls to you and me. Let's ride, rocket scooter shifts the tide. Let's ride, break the system from inside. Emotionless, these probabilities collide. I must confess, I'd be lost without you by my side.
Yeah, everybody can vote.
Let's ride.
Oh, they're so.
They're kind of in the same. They're both EDM. They're
Yeah.
like, yeah,
But it's either dubstep, listener, or not.
dubstep or house. Yeah. All right, we need to get like hundreds of votes in here. Everybody, which one do you like?
Not addiction, just
It's actually very funny.
Are there more Let It Ride songs? This is true. They had similar vibes to like the title and the lyrics and everything.
I can see where the future lies. Edge pressure calls to you and me.
I don't know if you can.
Like, at a concert, what do you do?
You just act like you're getting electrocuted.
Let's ride. These probabilities.
I think that people at dubstep concerts are mostly like higher functioning nerds that just stand still and enjoy the music, like sipping on a latte, rather than actually like aggressively fighting in a mosh pit. I like appreciators of dubstep would be like more music snobby than jazz heads. You know what I mean? It's a very analytical type of music. You have to like, you would more like enjoy it rather than like fight people to it. Literally sipping a latte right now. Like, for what? A lot of things here, or a lot of things like I still work, or I take work off? Okay. I guess if you're offering Thursday through Sunday.
We're gonna start up.
Sounds like a balanced week. Libra, it's a scale. It's a. I'll show myself out.
That went past my head, babe.
You have to have metal legs. That's from Grandma's Boy. Have you seen that? Sit on my face. What a weirdo. He's like, do you like techno? I don't really like techno. Yeah, well, you would if you had robot ears. All right, y'all get y'all's votes in. Okay. And end the poll in 20 seconds. I know it gets tough because every song in the top 24 is great. There's going to be a heartbreak every time. I know it. It's hard to let any of them go because they're all great. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's over. And the winner is, according to the votes from the viewers, I'm kind of making myself feel like what's his face from what was the host? Ryan Seacrest. Mm-hmm. Is he the host of American Idol? I feel like Ryan Seacrest right now. I don't think it popped up. Wait. I ended the poll. There it is. Tech Trader, Let's Ride with 60% of the vote. And Farina, unfortunately, I like that song a whole lot because it reminds me of Audion.
That song, Farina.
Yeah. But the votes are in, and it looks like Come On, Let's Ride made it.
That's not fair because there's only 123 votes and there's 518 guys in there. What are you guys doing?
Yeah, everybody needs to vote, by the way.
I have to re-poll this.
Well, I mean, we have to go, like, everybody vote. Get your votes in for the song that you like. So when I do the poll, everybody vote. Now, if you're driving, don't like risk your life trying to vote on your phone or whatever. Yeah, Farina, what's a great song? Now, every song that we have in the finals, with y'all's permission, we'll keep throwing them on the playlist, and we're going to make a playlist to jam to. I mean, every song, not even ones that made it to the finals. I'm going to make a playlist out of all of them. I've actually already been building it in Discord, just to have like jams to play, just to keep it going. Acting like I don't have a Ryan Seacrest poster behind your monitors. That's actually Ryan Seacrest's skull right there. I collected it, so. Oh yeah, I got lazy. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. We have okay. Now again, I'm putting songs. Not only did I do a pre sort of like seeding round here, I also and playing songs that are similar with each other despite the seeding, like songs that should go head to head. So without further ado, don't take a trade if you do. Okay, now we have a song called I'm on a Win Streak by Jeremy B. Oh, no pictures this time. Just I'm just doing the songs. I'm balancing too many things, but good question. Heck, I'm gonna- Okay. Oh. No bear market today. Market's been selling off for like 2 whole days. I'm about to make 10K. ED ratio just dropped. Yeah, it's 0.41. It's not doing so hot. We're ending up today with the ratio less than half at bear zone top, and we have not cleared the safety levels for tomorrow's monthly map. So 67.29 and 24.701 are levels that are going to be bear zone tops with DD ratio less than half going into tomorrow. So unless we are up here saving the market, we are in for a world of hurt for tonight. And this is what, when I tell you guys, we're never more than a day late to a bear party. This was not enough to save the bull market yet. On the longer term, it's still on the fence. We need to see where MHP is tomorrow now. So basically tomorrow, if we don't gap and trade higher, or don't fill the gap and trade higher, DD ratio will be less than half. We will be in bear market on monthly maps, and we will have only monthly hedge pressure again, maybe to save the market. So tomorrow could be the brutal resolve to today's selling. All right. I'm on a win streak by Jeremy B versus updates in real time by Tech Trader. Listen to the song before you vote. I just put the poll in, but I want everybody to vote. Everybody vote. Vote, 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 vote. It's Check. He's the boss. So the category actually turned out pretty good because a lot of these head-to-heads, they're very similar genre. Everyone vote or IDOC will get mad. That's right. Rocket scooter flying high. By the way, I'm not voting. I'm saying neutral. I haven't voted in any of these, by the way. Rocket scooter flying high. Where? When you in the chat? I'll back at the bottom. Leave and come back. Updates in real time by Tech Trader. He lets you know because he puts his own name in the lyrics because he's got an ego. Just kidding. Wait, let me tell you, when he says tech is the boss, it's hilarious. Hey Mike, in one of Mike's songs, he's like, Matt gives Mike rockets for your lifetime. they thought they would like hypnotize me. Oh god. Hold on. Let me remove this person. Win streak, great song. Updates in real time, great song. Subliminal messages, yeah, trying to sway the voters. And this is a tough heat, right? They're getting pretty tough. The crazy thing was there was over, I didn't even count them, but I think there was over 200 and something songs. So to make it through like 4 rounds to be in the top 20 is impressive enough. With so many people entering this contest. Is it time to give you the mod hammer? You'll yield this power with honor? Okay, I will promote you, sir. All right. Congratulations. Bearing Bulls now could be. You'll be able to be a moderator in the channel. All right, you can swing the band hammer. Okay, I want at least 200 votes or 150 votes if I can. So let's get your votes in. I know like one out of most people are working. That's what it is. Yeah. They got the stream on and they just have it on to support. They're not really lurking, but yeah.
Come on, guys.
In Apex, what's my rank? Diamond is the highest I ever got. So I have a new Steam account that I've been playing on. I got Diamond in like the earlier seasons, and then my new Steam account, I don't really play that much, and I just started playing again. I want to try to get Diamond one more time. I'm just queuing with some friends. We're going through Platinum right now. Trying to rank up. Okay. Getting those votes. I'm ending the poll in 20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. I play Apex? Yeah, I play Apex. If you want a sweaty altar main for your team, just let me know. All right, ready? Ending the poll. And the winner, again, we're going to just time, so everybody vote. Vote as much as you can. And remember, it's your job as the songwriter to rally the voters, right? It's not my job to rally the voters. You guys go convince your friends to come vote. That's the whole point. All right. The more voters, the better. Okay. The winner is Updates in Real Time. Win streak, fantastic song. I'm going to play it all the time. I'm going to literally play it and dance, and she's going to come in and dance. It's going to be incredible. Jeremy B, that was so close. See how they're neck and neck? 60, 40, 50. Like they're all neck and neck at this point because they're all great songs. Okay. All right. Next, we have...
I was seeing it. Marco says, power. Me too.
This is also tech. Market, please go down on me. It sounds like Maroon 5. A bunch of like sexual, like sort of like sexy funk. is this? What are you doing? Why are you grabbing my finger? I was trying to turn and I was like, I'm caught on something. What the heck? So today we're waiting to see if we break through the 485 level. I'm basically maxed profit on what I want to do today. I can't make any more money if I wanted to. I could squeeze a couple $100 out of this last account, but I don't care. Once I get 2K across the board, I'm done. What? That's why I'm not trading anymore. If I was to make a trade right now, I would actually be sitting out even so, because I have conflicting signals and close is going to be anything. And it depends on your fundamental belief. If you're a bull, then the market's going to save itself from here and rally up an MOC 30, 40 points S&P and just save it. But the way it's looking, it's got a far journey to jump in the long-term bullish monthly map. So we might get a green dead cat bounce day tomorrow, but it's starting to build up through like a topping case. So you can make more research, Scooter. Isn't the weenus your elbow or whatever, your elbow skin? Oh yeah, I can get those Fund and X accounts up a little bit. Over trading at that point. What's today, Thursday? Oh, okay. Remind me of a meeting at market close. At the push boot camp, I had 20 minutes. I wish I can, yeah.
I like it. I like it a lot.
The funny part about this picture is at first glance, this is the first time I actually noticed, and we have to give away 9 boot camps. Let's not forget about that. I wasn't paying attention because I was just sort of looking at it. But if you look at it right here, it kind of looks like one of those sort of like Japanese samurai ponytails. That's what I thought he had on his head. Like, I didn't think that was the girl's hair behind him. So every time I kept looking at it, I thought it was like, you know, Asian themed or something. Yeah, I thought that he had like a little bit of a ponytail going off until I finally actually looked at the picture. I was like, oh, you know, I'm talking about the samurai ponytail. Yeah. Yeah, a little tiny like stump on top of your head. I don't have long enough hair for it. All right, that is actually okay. So that is please go down to me against. That's Tech Trader against Unmasking Smart Money by Bateman. Look at his icon. Look who it is. Patrick Bateman from American Psycho.
They smoke of charts, a relic's dusty gleam of candles burn, a fading ancient dream. Fibonacci spirals, patterns drawn in vain.
You can't. The top 20 are so different-ish, but like everyone is going to be tough. There's no like weak links or no bad songs.
This song is always so awesome. It's in every
No, everyone has their tastes.
Okay.
This is Bateman. Yep. Is Bateman in chat? Are you in chat today? Here he is, Austin. Yeah. That's my boy Austin. Oh yeah, I wasn't reading chat. She's reading chat.
Gotcha.
It gets tough because I tried my best to arrange the songs so that two really popular songs didn't go head to head, but also lumping similar songs together, so it's more of a head to head.
The liquidity map, our atlas clear and bold, shows where Wall Street's true intentions unfold.
Like I said, this reminds me of Human League. 80s band.
A 5-point spread, a purpose to design. Hedge pressure levels, gold and blue they
Friday?
gleam. Where market makers work, a hedging stream. No price in sight, just Delta's urgent call. A guarantee
Oh, dope, Brett.
spike before you fall. Then
I know?
Oh,
Dude, Passion Pit's good.
Yeah.
Pantogram's good too.
yeah. When I saw that, I ended
Nice.
up using
I've seen Passion Pit like 3 or 4 times.
They're good.
Yeah. There was a time when they were at every music festival I went to, like in 2013 and 2014. Every time I went to ACL, every time I went to Free Press, every time or whatever, Passion Pit was there.
from Opera's data, straight from the source. A daily code charting
Yeah. Passion Pit, Matt and Kim. I remember that, like the one year when I went, they played back to back. Yeah. Yeah. When I saw Matt and Kim, they threw out a bunch of bags of balloons, like bags of just like balloons. They just threw them all out, and everybody blew up some balloons. So like everyone in the crowd was passing the bag around, and everyone was blowing up balloons, and they were like batting around 1,000 balloons in the audience. Yeah. Julian, see you later, man. Okay. It's getting tough. It's getting tough. We got the votes. The criteria, I think, is we want to get at least 100 votes, but I'll give you guys 30 more seconds. Vote on the song. Please go down on me by Tech Trader. Unmasking Smart Money by Austin. It's getting, like I said, we're working up the ladder. It's going to get tougher and tougher and tougher each time. All right, get y'all's votes in. Get y'all's votes in. 30, 29, 28. Passion Pit and Matt and Kim are Group Love are all of the festivals back in the day. Yeah, it was like 2013 through 2015. I think I went to like 2 or 3 festivals a year, and they were like hitting all the rounds. Because you would go to like your whatever festival you'd go to, Coachella, ACL, whatever. Like basically somebody would get on the festival tour and they would just play at all of them. Okay, we have to give away some boot camps while we're sitting here doing this. So after this, I'm going to spin the wheel. You guys do me a favor. We have 9 boot camps to give away. Thank you for your donations, everybody. If you haven't taken our 20-day boot camp, it starts in 2 Mondays. You will be able to go to the first 20 days for free. It's 17 classes. This should cover your first series of classes, but this is a free boot camp. So type in boot camp in chat, and we're going to do 9 wheel spinnies. But who do I? Oh, yeah, that's true. Oh, yeah, I can just do AI. That's right. They have a copy of participants now. So what I'll do is I'll just basically copy whoever types boot camp. Okay, yeah, we'll do AI. That's better. It's just not as like theatrical, yeah. Let me double check something. Okay. It looks like the winner was Unmasking Smart Money. Congrats, Bateman. It was 55-45. Like I said, they're getting close. Make sure for my meeting real quick. Yep. Please go down on me. It is going to get pretty hard from here. Okay. What the heck? Okay. It's going to get harder and harder because it's like It's just harder. Okay. Next song. This is a song by Sir Darb. I guess I wasn't doing the pictures, but I gotta play the video to go with it.
He's just a shadow in the night. Screen glow burning in his eyes. Tick by tick, the market bites.
Ow.
Dreams are heavy, but he won't compromise. They told him, kid, you'll never last. This game will break you. Moves too fast.
Okay. All right, I'm closing down the voting or the poll in about 20 seconds. Get your entries in. So I click this button, you can't enter again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And entrants are closed. Okay. I like it too.
Charts were heavy, the nights were long. Every setback made him strong. He found the tools, the truth, the song. Now the bulls are stampeding on.
All right, ChatGPT is going to decide your fate. Luis Pena, Hayden R, Miss Venture, Adel Trader, Funky Town, Shaj, Smart Props, Raisin, Robert Tier. The 9 of you guys are now going to come to the boot camp for free for the first month. It's $20 a month if you don't come for free, and $20 a month every month after your free month. $1 a class, basically $1 a day. We grill you and train you on trading practices and principles. Go read the reviews. It is a stellar array of hundreds of 5-star reviews. Everybody's gone through it, has loved it so much, they come and buy 9 of them to give away to strangers. Our viewers love showering each other with gifts, and it's been a tradition here for people to buy the boot camp for each other. Again, repeating the names: Luis Pena, Hayden R, Ms. Venture, Adil Trader, Funky Town, Shaj, SHAJ, Chaj, Smart Props, Raisin, RAIZEN, and Robert Tier. You're gonna go to my Discord, and the description below the video has the link. Go to the contest channel, message the admin Slacks, tell them you won today's bootcamp giveaway. I'll give you all the instructions you need to start with us in 2 Mondays. It is by far the biggest thing I've ever put together, and it's incredible. Right now, we're going through the bonus classes, which is Trader Funding Program Masterclass. And today, we're gonna have to start like 20 minutes later because I got a meeting I gotta go to right at close. So, very cool, very cool, very cool. All right, Unstoppable. So Sir Darb already entered the finals with Scooter Vibes. And this is going against...
Hi, my name is Dave, and I caught the dip again. I thought it was the low.
Knife Catchers Anonymous.
Another one.
There's 10 songs, pretty much 10 songs left after this.
Saw it on the 5-minute, heart skipped a beat. Formed a little hammer, looked kinda neat. No confirmation, no real bias.
You can't do both. We gotta narrow it down. We gotta pick winners. I know it's hard. It gets harder each round because we're working up the ladder, the seed round. They're gonna get tougher. What does a commercialist remind you of? Like generic beer commercials. You'll finish the song when you get more AI credits. Wait, can I gift you some? I'd like to see the rest of the video. Like tire commercials? Oh yeah. Like just something random. It's all good. These are all great tunes at this point. And Sir Darb already in the finals, as we know, with the scooter vibes. So some people had 2 songs. 18 minutes till MOC and the market's gonna make a directional choice. DD is 0.4 to close the day out. Wow!
Welcome to Knife Catchers Anonymous. Our dreams are bold, our risk preposterous. We fight the flow, ignore the signs, then cry in group when we cross the lines.
Like a mint. Oh yeah, it does sound like the Mentos songs, doesn't it? Like, you know, like they're always like over exaggerated, goofy situations on the old Mentos commercials. Or the guy sits on the bench and gets paint all over his suit, and he's laying there and he pops the Mentos and he's like rolling all over the bench. So then he turns his suit into pinstripes, and then the painter is like, Mentos, fresh maker. Boy, it gets hard. I know. I tried to make it as much as I can, as even as possible, with songs that somewhat sounded similar, or seated where in a way it would be. Nothing gets to you. Mentos fresh and is cool. Mentos fresh and full of life. Mentos fresh and Or like the person where the car got like blocked in by 2 cars, and then she gets like the construction workers to come over and like pick up her car and scoot it out of the way. I remember those commercials. What MOC is and why it's important? Sure. So market on close and market on open orders is a protocol that allows institutional traders to buy anything at exactly the open and exactly the close at one price. It's a process that allows you to get big orders into the market from the market maker's discretion of what that closing price is, without having to deal with trading in the market. If I need to buy 100,000 shares of Apple and I go there and I buy it at the end of the day against the level 2, I'm going to get filled at all kind of tiers, right? Because you're attacking the regular market. So wherever the sellers are, what they're going to sell to you, you're going to get prices filled at all kind of places. You're going to get all kind of illiquidity, and the market's going to go crazy. And so to prevent institutional buyers from creating unusual volatility throughout the day, which is bad for the market, and also to give them a benefit of getting all their fills at a single fair liquid price, they created the MOC and MO process where you basically tell the market maker, I want to buy 100,000 shares at the close. You trust the market maker is going to close the price at a fair price for everybody. And whether you're buying or selling, you have to get your order in 10 minutes before market closes. And then right when the dealer has all the orders, then they start navigating price to where the close would be against all the final orders coming in from like options expiring and stuff. As soon as the market closes, all of those orders that the dealer has, they fill them. Like the buyers and sellers just all buy and sell from each other at that single price. So 10 minutes before market closes, volume picks up, and then the market's basically like, that's when closing price is decided. That's when all the submissions are in. The dealer looks and goes, oh, 1 million people want to buy and 200,000 want to sell. Oh, that's a buy imbalance. Let me start raising the price so I can sell to everybody at the high, you know, to find sellers. You raise price to find sellers. So that's basically like the process creates the path to actually closing the market. That's the most important part of the day. And it's where the institutions reveal their hand. Okay. And ending the poll, I'm telling you that this was also a close one. It Sucks is Unstoppable was an amazing song. Knife Catchers Anonymous, She's a Fine was the winner, and Unstoppable was fantastic, and so was the video that came with it. Hello? All right. Next, we have. Hold on. What the heck? Where is it? Oh, okay. We have Liquidity Pocket by Tech Trader.
Yeah. Hedge pressure high, it's a risky sky. P&L swinging like a wild alibi. Chart so jagged, cutting through my veins. Candle flames burning, but I'm feeling gains. On zone, bear zone on my mind. Stop loss looking like thieves in the blind. Bull stampede while the bears claw tight. I'm riding that bounce till the close of the night. Futures flashing green, red, green. Living on the edge of the trading machine. Let me get down on your liquidity pocket. I need a place to park my rocket. Riding the waves till the market unlocks it. Liquidity pocket, liquidity pocket.
Negative red, so we might not even move into close. But the last 10 minutes will reveal Wall Street's true hand. Right now, this market is very damaged. It does not look super bullish going into tomorrow.
Volatility's a mistress, she don't play fair. Tick by tick, I'm just a wolf in a lair. Stop loss, whispers try to hold.
If you want to know my guess for today,
Just a train on a one-way track.
anything could happen,
My bets with a smirk and a
but resistance.
futures flashing green, red, green. Living on the edge of the trading machine. Let me get down on your liquidity pocket. I need a place to park my rocket. Riding the waves till the market unlocks it. Liquidity pocket.
It won't let you trade gold with the market due to market subscriptions. That was paid for automatically. I think you still have to subscribe to those markets.
Liquidity pocket. Liquidity pocket. Wanna like it, it's a mistress, she don't play fair. Tick by tick, I'm just a wolf in a lair. Tick by tick, I'm just a wolf in a lair. Tick by tick, I'm just a wolf in a lair.
I need a place to park my rocket. That's such a sexual song. Liquidity pocket, liquid pocket. I need a place to park my rocket.
Let me get down on your liquidity pocket. I need a place to park my rocket. Riding the waves till the market unlocks it.
The lyrics are pretty sexy.
Liquidity pocket.
Oh, what's my? Oh, I'm sorry. My daily P&L is not even shown on here. My bad. I keep forgetting. It's down here for my funded TV. It's a different format. Here it is. Sorry, my bad. Let me just make. I was just making more room for it.
Liquidity pocket. Liquidity pocket.
There it is right here. I'll show you guys. I'm just keeping everything big so y'all can see the market. That was it today. It was green across the board, and I'm all pretty much maxed out. All right. Liquidity pocket. I need a place to park my rocket. By Tech. Versus
Woke up this morning,
Bear Market Blues.
charts were looking mean.
Oh, this is tough. I know, these are tough.
Big old red candle. The
Bro,
ugliest I've
I know, man.
Futures dropping fast. ES on the slide. Market make a match say.
Going against Tech is always hard, man.
Apple
Tech is like one of the undisputed champions of songwriting, so.
market blues. And they're hitting hard.
But I'm not gonna lie, they're both great songs. Bear Market Blues is
Prices
one of my favorites, but I like blues music.
stops can run away. Rocket scooter says, don't
It's tough.
just play it smart and true. But Lord, this downtrend's giving me the best
Making us decide that's a Padlin. This one's gonna be close, I know it. So I need to get a lot of votes in.
Man, it's all downhill. Every bull in the room gets a bitter pill.
See you later. Bye.
We're buying every dip. That's the way we pray. But this time the floor's gone and it's running away. I got those bear market blues and they're hitting hard today. Prices falling faster than my stops can run away. Rocket Scooter says, don't you fear, just play it smart and true. But Lord, this downtrend's giving me the bear market blues. It's a waterfall moment and the bids ain't there. Every buyer vanished, just empty air. Rocket Scooter mad hums a quiet prayer while I'm watching my game disappear somewhere.
Vote, guys. It's literally neck and neck. It's freaking 50-50. Vote. I can't let it slide like this. It's now in the range of noise. Too much, dude. Too hard. Too hard. I can't do a disservice at 50-50. We can't do it. Get your votes in. This is ridiculous. Yeah. Part of this, I gotta put two Rogue songs next to each other because it's got a lot of it's a specific genre, right? So one of them we got Rogue against Rogue. All right. Golden buzzer. They both go through. We're not going to do this anymore. It is literally 50-50. It was 50-50 the whole way. We can't decide this way. It's a freaking tie. I'm going to send them both through. That's incredible. It's so hard to choose. Okay, we got to reseed these somehow. I didn't think this was going to be that close, but I'm saying it's getting closer and closer and closer as time goes by. All right, MOC in 5 minutes, guys. I don't know if we have all the time to get through all the rest of the songs today. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait. 6, 7. I thought we had 24. Hold on. All right, congrats, you two. Both of you guys make it to the next round. Okay, let me double check. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh, we have only 23 songs? I need a 24th song. Okay, I'm going to golden buzzer something from the last round. Maybe. How do I do it though? Or maybe we bring somebody back as a rescue round. Let's do a rescue round where you guys get to pick of the songs that have lost. We'll do like a poll or something. I'll do it. I'll have to do it tomorrow. So I'm gonna leave a note to myself. One of the losing songs gets a second chance vote. They do this like second chance thing on American Idol too. We need a 24th song to get back into the finals. Although I don't have time to play all the songs. Now it's come down to that time. You know what's about to happen, you guys. Take a guess. What do you think is about to happen right now? You all know it. You all feel it in your bones. The head-to-head we've been waiting for. It's that time. It's that time. And this is the hard one. You guys know both songs. You've heard both songs a dozen times. Actually, sorry. Wait. Don't pull yet. Don't pull yet. My bad. Hold on. I didn't mean to hit enter. Gotta hear both songs first. You guys get your both unique drawings. We got doubles on the screen now. Double the whoosh. All right, MOC's up. Market's moving now. Yeah. So basically, like the AI, I think it's supposed to say the Legend of Myth or the Legend of Men, and we are like, what's it saying? Is it saying Legend of Mib? And then some people thought it was saying the Legend of Mip, like MHP, and it was pronouncing it like Mip. So then it just became Legend of Mib, and that's really the. It's like a new word. So now we're like the Legend of Mib. I'm gonna get a t-shirt that says Legend of Mib on the back and a whoosh fan on the front. We're trying to make this merch now to be hilarious. But the joke is Mib, yeah. Light and mix on MOC. Feel like not really much of a push. It's not good. I'd like to have seen like a bigger run. Meow. Pretty dead, yeah. Legends of Men in Bankruptcy. Yeah, that's kind of funny. It's the mystical whoosh fan. Great song. Okay. God, it's so hard. And I hate that this is happening because I love both of these songs. They are both both amazing songs, and they're both gonna get a lot of airtime, trust me. Whoosh fan blowing up. Keith Singleton.
Shots are screaming red and green. A fan's whoosh cuts through the sea.
I know. It's so hard to go.
The price is taking flight. Day traders sweating through the night.
The battle of the whoosh.
Hearts racing wild. Chasing profits. Feeling wild. Whoosh fan blow it up. Blow it high. Blow it fast. NASDAQ rockets. Can it last? Take profit.
Did I take that second trade off MHP? Yes, I did.
Whoosh fan blow.
I took it to DD band and closed out. I took only the scalp portion of it from here to there.
Dance the screens alive. A bull
I got like 50 points and I called it.
Fingers twitching, bets collide. The fan keeps blowing, no place to hide. One more trade, the stakes are
What does the fox say? It kind of reminds me of that.
so.
Which version was first? T6 was first.
Whoosh fan blow it up,
Keith Singleton is second.
blow it fast.
Even though res is negative. Right, so resilience just basically tells me how big to trade and where my exit is. Res is negative means that was resistance, right? These are resistances. So I only traded, you know, that's about as far as I would have gone maximum, but I usually trade pivot to pivot. When irrational, that is the rule. Trade MHP to next pivot. That's on the diagram.
One more trade, the stakes are steep.
Here. When you're outside, strong, long pivots only.
Whoosh fan
Back to band.
blow it high,
Typical trade.
blow it fast.
When you're irrational. Make sense?
Can it last? Take profit. Take a chance.
All right, guys, get your votes in. We need tons of votes.
Whoosh fan blow.
It's a tough call.
We're along for the tide.
Both amazing tunes. Amazing tunes. We're moving a bit now. No, there's no doubt about it. Keith's song has magic powers. This is something nobody's debating here. His song is the one that has been whooshing the market daily when we play it. It's whoosh fan. He's got the whoosh fan magic. Yeah, this is our Lucky Charm song now. Dude, well, the minute I played it, got the move. Okay. All right. Now remember, we're gonna do a round, and the songs that didn't make it, we'll do one final like vote. You guys can rescue one of the songs that lost this round to bring it back into the finals. And I think the only clear and easy way to do the finals is to randomize the like top 10, or have you guys vote on all of them and have them ranked 1 through 10. That might be a way to do it instead of more bracket. I don't know. Should we have it where everybody just votes on the 3 that they like and then we rank it that way? Or do we continue? Because you can't just do bracket forever. Eventually you're going to run into an odd number and then you can't do any more bracket. So basically, like, I'll do like the final 12 songs, and then you guys pick like the 5 that you like or something. I'll do like a Google sheet or something. And then maybe I'll attach the songs to the sheet, and then you guys go in there and then you can vote. How's that sound? Yeah, so we should get to like top 12 from here. Instead of like head to head though, random until top 6, and you guys go vote on your favorite 6. This is just like American Idol. All right, sounds good. Okay, votes are in. And the answer is Whoosh Fan won, of course. Obviously. But the winner of this Whoosh fan battle, the Battle of the Whoosh, 2 amazing songs, 2 top 10 songs in my heart. So hard to pick which one is which. It is the voice of the public that the T6 Whoosh fan slightly outpaced Keith Singleton's amazing Whoosh fan with magical powers that I'll probably play every single day. And anyways, you guys all win prizes anyways. You're all going to get something out of this. As the Battle of the Whoosh is concluded, it's so hard to pick a winner because they're so great. But congrats to T6 and Keith. Appreciate it. It's a hell of a good song. That Keith's grew on me, man. As I listened to it, as time went by, I was like humming it. I find myself humming it all the time. It's that good. Whoosh fan blowing up. Do 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 do. NASDAQ running. Okay. I have a meeting in a little bit. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the wild card for tomorrow. Maybe we'll do it tomorrow morning. So congrats to Stock Market Wizards, Scooter Vibes, Come On, Let's Ride. Updates in real time, Unmasking Smart Money, Knife Catchers Anonymous, Liquidity Pocket, Bear Market Blues, and Whoosh fan. Matt throws in a golden buzzer. We had to throw some through till the next round. We had an exact tie that was not breaking even with hundreds of votes. Crazy. Keith, that's right. As somebody said, you are still a legend of Mib, sir. That was a good song, man. Okay. To make it this far is an honor in and of itself out of hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of songs. This was great. All right. And market's closing slightly higher. Doesn't look like we made it out of the danger zone, you guys. So this is it. But on that note, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for loving the stream. We don't like the stream. We love the stream. So thank you for guys for being here every day. Winners don't forget to claim your prize. We didn't do prop giveaway today just because we did a bootcamp giveaway, but we'll do prop giveaways tomorrow all day. It's like we always do. And we'll see y'all bright and early. I got to run to a meeting and I'm going to be 20 minutes late to bootcamp, but we'll see y'all in 20 minutes. Have a good night, everybody.